In this example, we are going to describe a well-defined set. And what that means is that when we describe a set, there is no ambiguity or misunderstanding what is in the set. And we have three ways of being able to do that. The first way here is set builder notation. And set builder notation is the most scientific or formal way of describing a set. The next method here is the roster method. And that is pretty much exactly as the name implies. You can think of it as the roster for a sports team that lists all the players on the team. And then the final method here is a word description, and that is simply a sentence that we use to describe the set. So for here, we are going to describe the states of the Midwest. So using the set builder notation, the first thing that we do is we always label our set. Usually our set is labeled with a capital letter. I'm going to use the capital letter M for the word Midwest. And then I'm going to describe the set. And whenever we show a set, we always show the set enclosed in these curly braces. That's the best way I can make a curly brace. But we always enclose it in the curly braces. We then label the elements within the set. And typically we label those elements with a lowercase letter. I'm going to use the lowercase letter S for the word states. So here I labeled the set. Here I then label the elements. I then have to describe what the elements are. But before we do that, we go ahead and we put in this vertical bar here, this vertical line. This vertical line is stated as such that or given that. And then once I put that in, then I go ahead and I describe what the elements are. So S is a state of the Midwest, United States. And then we close off the set. So here this is stated as set M is all the elements S, given that S is a state of the Midwest, United States. And again, that's the most formal or scientific way. The next method, and just for clarity, I already have it listed here, just because it's easier just to show it this way. But here we labeled our set as M. Here we have our curly brace. But as you can see, all the elements are listed in here. The big difference between the set builder notation and the roster method is with the roster method, you could actually see what the elements are. You can actually see what the set contains, what each individual element is. And then finally, C, which is a word description. We're just going to use a word description to describe the set. So we'll go ahead and we'll say set M is the set of states of the Midwest, United States. And there we have it.